How to delete Snapchat account. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can delete your Snapchat account. So firstly, I want you to open up the app drawer on your phone, and then after that, click on Snapchat. Now once you click on Snapchat, now from over here, I want you guys to click on your profile, and then after that, I want you to just simply click on the settings button at the top right. Now once you click there, simply scroll down, and then from over here click on I need help. Now when you're gonna click here, it is gonna take you over to this particular page. So from over here, I want you to scroll down, click on my account and security. After that, click on deleting or reactivating my account, and then after that, click on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Now from over here, you will see this come up. So over here, you guys can see that it's telling you to go to the accounts portal and type in the username and password for the account you want to delete. So click on go to the accounts portal, and then after that, it is going to take you over here. So from over here, you guys can just simply type in the password of your Snapchat profile, and your account is gonna get deactivated. So your account is gonna be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, and after 30 days your account is gonna be deleted. So guys, that is how easy it is to delete your Snapchat account in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time.